Ryan, the second row you've attended, what was going through your mind in the hall there?
It's a strange feeling, really, because obviously you want the easier groups, but the easier teams to play against. But yeah, a lot of the teams that are getting drawn out, you don't know a lot about. Some teams that you do know a little bit more. So yeah, I think generally you've got to be happy with the group. It's a competitive group. Travelling's not too bad. Obviously you've got Azerbaijan, but facilities are good there. So overall, I think we could have been happy. Could have been better, could have been worse.
I think most people looking from the outside would say that's a very competitive, a very open group there, isn't it?
Yeah, because Croatia are probably the standout team, and rightly will be favourites going into it because of what they've achieved. And then you've got Slovakia and Hungary. Slovakia especially, good team. So we'll need to play well to come through this group. And like I say, we've got combat Azerbaijan away. And now it's just about looking at the fixtures and seeing if the fixtures are kind, see how they fall, and yeah, five-team group, probably an advantage, not as many games. So yeah, overall happy.
I think good for the supporters as well. We've got tremendous away support, as you know, and
yeah.
Very accessible. And Baku is a city that's developed massively in terms of facilities, both on and off the field in recent years, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, and you've seen the support that we had in Albania. It's amazing. It wasn't even in. It was an hour away into the mountains, and we had over 2,000 fans there. So the support is massive to us because it gives the players a lift, and it's not great for the opposition. If you have got that support. I've been there as a player, so yeah, it's some fantastic places to go for the fans if they've not been, if they've been before. So overall, yeah, it's some really good trips there.
And in terms just of the draw generally, you kept a steady pace, no emotion. But I mean, I think Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland, you've spent some time with them over the last couple of days. They're in a group, they're not in a group. Holland and Germany, that was maybe a few anxious moments for both Northern Ireland and Republic of Ireland.
Yeah, and the odds were that we could have got Northern Ireland, Republic or Scotland, obviously, because they were in pot 3. So yeah, we managed to dodge them, and yeah, I think Northern Ireland they've got a tough group. Yeah, because when Germany are not even the top seeds, someone was going to get a tough group with a top seed and Germany, and it's obviously Netherlands and Germany. It's not easy, that. So yeah, when you look at things like that, overall you've got to be pleased.
Finally, just 2 or 3 months now to think about it.
Yeah.
You've got to wait till March. You can't get out there next week.
No. I mean, that is the frustration, obviously. But yeah, you just get out and see the players as much as you can. Do our homework now on the teams that we're drawn against and how they've done over the last year or so. And yeah, look forward to March.